Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a spiral staircase with a stringer working as a railing and a custom designed balustrade of that spiral staircase in Revit. So I had a lot of problems while making the staircase, so I'm going to show you some things that can actually help you not have these problems. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this new file and I'm going to go with stairs. Now, according to your design, you can choose any type of spiral staircase. I'll just choose this center end spiral and draw a random staircase that starts from here, ends from here, and just I can just go to 3D of this. You can see the staircase looks something like this. So now you have two options on how you can actually make this staircase. One is to just go with the first let's put the railing on the stringers because I would like a design which is making sure the railings are in the stringer portion and keeping the tread out open. You can choose as per your design. I'll just click finish and now I have a staircase like this. But first we want to delete this railing and we can just go in edit staircase. Oh no, we can just edit this on edit type. And these are the two stringer supports that we have over this staircase. I think the left support is the one that I want. Okay, let me just edit this portion of it. So this is going to edit, oh, this is actually going to edit the whole family. So I'm going to duplicate this family first. Oh, first I should also duplicate this staircase. Then I should go into the left support and duplicate this. And without changing any values here, I'm going to make sure the total depth is the depth of the railing. So let's go with about 1050 and the width is 50. I think that works. I can OK and apply, OK and apply. So you can see the middle portion is now working as a railing which is of the size 1338 because we have the structural depth as well. But if we actually go from the stair tread, it's 1172. Okay, so we can edit this. We can just go to red type and see what is the problem. I think the structural depth on run, structural depth on landing needs to be changed. So I think I can make this, if I make this 0 and place apply, now if I were to measure this, okay, it's actually more now. Oh yeah. So I guess I have to edit this, but you can just choose your liking the height of this railing that you want. I'll just keep it as maybe 200, I think. Yeah, I think that will work. Because I have the stringer depth as 300. Now, if I were to, okay, it's not, yeah, I can just use this measurement tool. Yeah, it's close by. If I want, I can just remove 46.5 of it. Okay, I'll just do it actually. I want to make a precise one right now. So this is one way to actually make this type of staircase. You can play around with the settings, but right now I'm just going to go with a 1050 height of railing. I think this is okay. Okay, it's not getting that accurate, but it's fine, I guess. Now I have the middle stringer ready. Oh, what the fuck? Why is the stringer so deep? I think that is the setting that I was actually doing. I'll just keep it 150 that it was before. Yeah, I won't play around with it. So now the main thing that we need to do is get this railing and have a custom pattern on it, right? So first I think I can go in the edit stair first check my landing stringer. I think it works. Is it on the stringer? Yeah, it's on the stringer. So all I need to do is select the railing, and I can just edit type. If you go into the rail structure and there's anything, you can delete it right now. I'll press OK because there's nothing there. I can adjust the baluster offset. So if I were to adjust it by, let's say, 200, I'll just press OK. It's actually going to get inside the spiral staircase center by 200 mm. So I'll just keep it 0 because it's already there where I want it. Now I can edit the top rail. So the height of the top rail is 1100 and the type of the top rail is the 50-50 rectangular. I can just go inside this and I can choose a different type of handrail. Now it's elliptical. And if you are making a spiral staircase which is very complex or it is actually breaking in parts, the handrail must be going like not connecting properly. So this transition option can be actually turned to simple if you want it to connect easily with the other handrails, but right now it doesn't matter, so I'll just keep it at gooseneck. I think these values are fine. You can just use this type of spiral staircase as a starter. Now all we need to do is just replace the balustrade, and for that I can just go to the file and create a new balustrade family. I'll just select my metric balustrade panel. Okay, now inside this we are in the left view. I think I don't need to change that. Now all I need to do is just create an extrusion. I'll try to make it simple. First I need to select this plane. I'll just go with this, I guess. Now I'll try and create the pattern that I saw that I created before. First I'll draw a line. I'll just create some offset of 50, I think. Oh my god, it's not going 50. Yeah, I can go here, I can delete this. Now I can just make an offset of this at about like 6 mm. I think that is a good enough size for the MS steel type of railing that we are going for, that look. And I can just connect, yeah, I can just connect this and join, no, and join. Oh, I should press OK. Unjoin, unjoin, and unjoin. Now I can fillet this. Where's the fillet? Yeah, I can just give it like 4. Oh, I'll just go and give 35 works. Now I'll fillet this as well. I'll just give it some random and then I'll make it 35. Okay, I'll just give it an offset there. I'll first mirror this DM, mirror it around this, select it and move it upwards. Okay, that did not work. Select it and move it upwards by like this. Delete this, connect this, and now we have an oval type of shape. Now I can just give it an offset of 6 mm outside this. Okay, now let's go inside actually because I don't want to cross the reference planes that are actually made here. Just give it an offset 6 mm inside. Okay, I'll just copy this and let's go 50 here. Let's go 100 here. This one is overlapping, so I'll just delete that. I'll delete this as well because now it should be connecting. Yeah, it is connecting. Now I can just trim So how should I trim this? Like this, like this, and just connect this. Same over here. I can just trim like this, and just trim like this, trim like this, and connect this. Yes, that looks good. Then I can trim like this, trim like this, trim like this, and I can connect this. Then again I can trim like this, 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 and this. I can connect this. So I think that this balustrade pattern looks pretty good. I can just select the extrusion end and keep it around 10 mm. Maybe that will work. Now I can just look at this in the 3D, and yeah, this type of balustrade looks pretty good. Now all I'll need to do is just load into the project. My project that I just created, which is one. I'll just save this. Oh, not this one. Wait, which one is the project that I was working on? Yeah, this one. I'll just save this as a test project. Now I'll just load this balustrade into the test. Press OK. Now if I go to 3D, I can select this railing, edit type. Now go into the baluster placement. For your reference, you can turn this preview option so you can see what the balustrade is actually doing right now. First, just uncheck this. Then you can also select your family right here, the family 1. Click apply. I can see that my family is coming along nicely. Now, if I want, I can have this end post. I strongly feel that I don't in this design, so I'll just go with none. Click apply. And now I can select the distance between these balustrades. Now the distance I believe is going to be from the center to center. I think if I go with around 300, click apply, or maybe 400, click apply. Yeah, 400 is a good distribution, I think. Yeah, so I decided to go with 400 only. That looks a good amount. Now I uncheck this, I can press OK, I can press apply, and I can press OK. Now I can see that my balustrade profile is coming along here, but it just feels like it's not doing it very nicely, right? Like the balustrade family itself is not aligning well with the spiral staircase. I also had this problem, and because of oh, I should not do this. And because of the family, I had to edit it actually. So because the family looks like this, I think I don't have a choice here. The design itself doesn't fit it actually. But what I can do is I can just load in the profile that I had over here, and I can show you that I actually let me just open it first. Where's the family? I think it's this one. Yes. So this was the family that I made for that. You can see that I actually went with the slope that is in the spiral staircase, and I just in like I basically extruded them upwards like this on a random distance succeedingly because the staircase is going with that flow, and I can just load this into the test project. I'll overwrite it because it's the same name, and now this is how it looks in here. And you can see that the flow is very nice here, that it's going very smoothly. So this is how you can create a custom balustrade panel inside of a spiral staircase and this stringer railing profile. This was one way. I can also do another way of this, which is simpler than this, but it will require a different video, I think, because it is not practical. But if it works like this, then do not go with any other way because this is like you can just edit this with properties and it's very quick. It doesn't require any model in place, which is going to be the different type. So I think I've done too much talking here. Yeah, I think this is enough. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.